So there is another scenario: in the presence of ADH, maximum water absorption will occur in the absence of ADH, maximum water absorption will occur or maximum water absorption occur The answer to all these three MCQ is proximal convoluted tubule, because irrespective of ADH, maximum water absorption occur in the proximal convoluted tubule. That is 2/3 is absorbed in the proximal convoluted tubule. ADH acts on distal tubule. ADH acts on distal area, so it is just for confusion. Maximum water absorption occur in the proximal tubule. In the absence of ADH, now these are the confused scenario. In the absence of ADH, in the presence of ADH. In the absence of ADH, most diluted urine will be present in. Answer to this question is medullary collecting duct. If that is not an option, then cortical collecting duct. In the presence of ADH, most diluted urine will be present in. Then the answer to this question is thick. Proximal DCT. If that is not an option, then DCT. If that is not an option, then thick ascending limb of loop of Henle. Now to know about the concept behind these, we will explain on diagram. Now in order to memorize these, now the infiltrate comes over here, the infiltrates come over here. Till this point it is most diluted, so now after that it depends upon the ADH. If the ADH is present, it will draw water. If it draws water, so inside the water is less but the solute is more, so it is concentrated urine. Inside it is most concentrated urine. So in the presence of ADH, in the presence of ADH, most diluted urine will be present in proximal DCT, because the urine was diluted over here. It is the diluting segment. This portion. So till here the urine is diluted. Now after here depends upon the ADH. So in the presence of ADH, most diluted urine will present in proximal DCT. If that is not enough, then DCT. If that is not enough, then thick ascending limb of loop of Henle. In the presence of ADH, most diluted urine will be present in proximal DCT. In the presence of ADH, most concentrated urine. Now this is another scenario. Now the concentration occurs over here. Concentration occurs over here because water is absorbing. That is medullary collecting duct. In the presence of ADH, most concentrated urine lies in medullary collecting duct. If that is not an option, then cortical collecting duct. Now if we are having no ADH, if there is no ADH, there is no absorption of water. If there is no absorption of water, then there is maximum fluid. If there is maximum fluid, there is maximum urine and less salt, so it means this is diluted. The diluted infiltrate is further diluted. So in the absence of ADH, most diluted urine will be present in medullary collecting duct. If that is not one, then cortical collecting duct. In the absence of ADH, most concentrated urine will be. Now we know that dilution is started over here. Thick ascending limb of Henle. Dilution is that is further diluted. Now the most concentrated urine will be at the tip of loop of Henle. If that is not an option, then proximal DCT. So we have discussed the 5 important MCQs. In the absence of ADH, most diluted urine will be present at. In the absence of ADH, most concentrated urine. In the presence of ADH, most diluted and most concentrated urine lies over where. So we have discussed. You have to memorize these diagrams.